Hello dear students, welcome to English class. So today the passage that we are going to read is given on page number 23, worksheet number 7. So the name of the passage is Dolphin. So today we are going to read out some special features of dolphin. Okay, so let's start. Take a pencils for underlining the difficult words and writing down the meanings. Okay, so let's start. Dolphins are regarded as the friendliest creatures in the sea. The more we learn about dolphins, the more we realize that the society is more complex than what we imagine. So dolphins are regarded as a friendliest nature. So these dolphins are very friendly because they get involved with everyone very easily. So they are termed as friendly creatures. The more we learn about dolphin, the more we realize that their society is more complex than what we imagine. जितना हम डॉल्फिन्स के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, रिसर्च करते हैं, उतना ही हमें ये पता चलता है कि इनकी जो लाइफ है वो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स है, बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि अभी भी और बहुत कुछ बचा है इनके बारे में जानने के लिए. They look after other dolphins when they are ill, care for pregnant dolphins and protect the weakest as we do. So they look as we do means जिस तरह से एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान का ध्यान रखता है, हम इंसानों में होता है कि हम दूसरों की हेल्प करते हैं, उसका ध्यान रखते हैं. तो सिमिलरली जो डॉल्फिन्स हैं वो भी जो अगर कोई डॉल्फिन बीमार हो जाती है, इफ़ एनी डॉल्फिन इज़ प्रेग्नेंट or if a dolphin is weak, so they look after these dolphins. They take care of them like human beings. The scientists believe that the dolphins have language and it is possible that they communicate with each other by whistling and clicking. So साइंटिस्ट जो हैं, जो रिसर्च कर रहे हैं डॉल्फिन पे, उनका ये मानना है कि इनकी लैंग्वेज होती है और ये एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करती है. दे कम्युनिकेट थ्रू विस्लिंग एंड क्लिकिंग. विस्लिंग जैसे सीटी बजा के वो एक अलग तरह का साउंड प्रोड्यूस करती हैं और कम्युनिकेट करती हैं. एंड क्लिकिंग मीन्स दे यूज़ इकोलोकेशन. इकोलोकेशन मीन्स साउंड वेव्स के थ्रू जो वाइब्रेशंस होती हैं उनसे इन्हें पता चलता है कि उनका शिकार कहाँ है. उन्हें व्हेन दे वांट टू सर्च देयर फूड, then at that time they use the method of clicking. Okay, man's only superiority is that we can kill them easily. So the only difference between dolphin and man is superior because he has the ability to kill dolphin. Otherwise dolphin has all the other characteristics like that of human being. They are generally grey in color with darker backs than the rest of their bodies. So here the writer has told us about the कलर ऑफ द डॉल्फिन. सो यहाँ पर बताया गया है कि डॉल्फिन का जो कलर है वो ग्रे होता है और उनका जो बैक होता है वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा डार्क कलर का होता है. दे इट फिश एंड स्क्विड्स. सो वो क्या जनरली वो क्या खाती हैं, वो फिश खाती हैं और स्क्विड्स मीन्स और जो समुद्र में जो जीव जंतु वगैरह होते हैं वो उन पे फीड करती है. दे ईट fish and squids. Dolphins are believed to be very intelligent and friendly. So ये माना जाता है कि डॉल्फिन्स जो है बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होती हैं और बहुत ही फ्रेंडली होती है. दे गॉट इन्वॉल्व विद एवरीवन वेरी इजीली. This display a playful attitude which make them popular in human culture. So they are very friendly. That is why ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत ही एक्टिव हैं, बहुत प्लेफुल हैं. मीन्स दे गेट इन्वॉल्व इजली विथ एवरी वन. सो इसीलिए ये जो एनिमल है, जो डॉल्फिन है, वो ह्यूमन कल्चर मीन्स हम इंसानों के बीच भी बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. They can be seen jumping out of water, playing, fighting and sometimes interacting with people. So हम बहुत बार डॉल्फिन्स अगर हैं तो वो ये बहुत एक्टिव क्रिएचर है ना, तो इसलिए हम कई बार इनको समुद्र में से बाहर जंप करते हुए, खेलते हुए, फाइट करते हुए और कई बार लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करते हुए भी हम इन्हें देख सकते हैं. Okay, so the conclusion is the dolphins are very friendly creatures and very playful creatures. Okay, So now, after the reading of the passage, let's solve the exercise. First question is answer the following question. So the first question is name the friendliest creature of the sea. So it is very simple answer. Dolphins are regarded as a friendliest creature of the sea. Okay. Next one, how do dolphins communicate with each other? I have told you that dolphins communicate by whistling and clicking. Okay, that is the language they use. On the next page, how is the man superior to the dolphin? So man can kill dolphins easily, so he is superior. Okay, what makes them popular with humans? So their playful attitude makes them popular with the humans. Okay, and the last question is what do the dolphins eat? Dolphins eat fish, squids, etc. Okay, so these are the answers of answer the following. Next question is fill in the blanks. We realize that society of dolphin is more dash. So what kind of society the dolphin has? The society is very complex, very complicated. Dolphins look after other dolphins when they are ill and protect the weakest as we do. Okay. Next, the dolphins are dash in color. The dolphins are grey in color. Dolphins can be seen dash out of water and sometime dash with humans. Dolphins can be seen jumping out of water and sometimes interacting with humans. And the last question is write the synonyms of the following. Synonyms are the words that have same meanings. So complicated. So complicated, the synonym for complicated is complex, and to take care of, the phrase for it is look after. Okay, that's all. These are the answers. So copy these answers in your book on page number 24 and 23. Complete this exercise. Okay, and read the passage again. Okay, so that you can understand it very clearly. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.